Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today we are doing the giveaway drawing for the background design choices for the Glassine Bag Printable mini album template. And it was about a month ago. I did another video just like this, and all you had to do was leave a comment below that video to be entered into win. So far, we've only made 2 albums using this printable mini album template, and it is one of my favorites, and I'm surprised that I've only made 2 albums with you guys on YouTube. So the first one we made is the Santa Baby album, right? This is the front and the back, and I have a YouTube playlist specifically for this album. We made it start to finish, step by step. I show you how to use the entire set of printable templates. I will link that right up here, and I will link it down below if you want to see how we made this mini album. And the YouTube playlist, they start off with the intro to the templates themselves and go from there. So every playlist, no matter which one you look at, will start off with the intro to the templates that I'm using to make that project. So we've made the Santa Baby album, and it's getting close to Christmas once again, so we need to start thinking about that kind of stuff, don't we? And then the last one we made, this is the Midnight Garden, and that was the paper line that we used, and we did this one from start to finish as well. And I will put a YouTube playlist link right there and in the description box below. But we go step by step, and I show you some cool new ideas and new things to, new ways to use some of the stuff that you might already have. So anyway, so those are the only 2 albums that we've made so far. I can't believe I haven't made another one. We might have to give that some thought. I might need to make another one. I love it. It's so fast. This is one of the fastest albums I've made. There's a few others that are pretty quick too, but this one's pretty fast. So. And what's unique about this set of templates is you get a whole extra set of background designs, and it's the coffee stained background. You get that whole extra set along with whatever background choice you make. So let me tell you what the winning background designs are. Well, first of all, the patchwork background design, I came out with this new background when I released my Crafty Companion printable templates. It's the workstation that we're currently working on. I will link that here if you want to check it out. So I released this new background design with that, and then I also added it to the Glassine Bag and a few other templates. But look how cool that looks. So this is available in my Etsy shop. So you would get a full set of all the templates. Will have the patchwork background design on them. All the templates you'll have a full set of the coffee stained background design, and then you will also have a full set of plain. And then on top of that, you will get a full guide that has a full set of templates with the instructions on them. So this is what you get when you pick one of your background designs. You get all 3 full set of templates, and they're the same template just with different things on them. Like this is the plain, but it has the distressed edges. This is the patchwork. This would be the background design that you would choose, and it has the background on it plus the distressed edges. And then all of them come with the coffee stain that has the coffee stain on there and the distressed edges. Okay, so it's already out there. The patchwork background's already out there, so we get that one. And then the winning background designs are vintage. And this is what the Etsy listing looks like. A vintage and watermark. So those got the most votes, okay? So both of those, I've made those up. This is the watermark one. This is page 5, I think, in the templates. So there's the watermark, and then here's what the vintage one looks like. So once again, if you want the vintage, you get a full set of vintage, you get a full set of plain, and you get a full set of coffee stained. If you want the watermark, you get a full set of watermark, a full set of plain, a full set of coffee stain, okay? So those are the new backgrounds that are being released today, and I've already got it pulled up. I've already got, the random YouTube picker pulled up on my phone. I've already pulled in the video, and it's already pulled the comments, and now all I have to do is hit start. Let's go ahead and get the first winner, because we're going to have two since I'm releasing two background designs. I'm just going to go ahead and hit start. And Gina Murphy. It says Vintage and Hurley Script. Love, love, love your work. Thank you. Oh, well, Vintage got it. I think I know that name. Why do I know that name? I know that name. So Gina Murphy, all you need to do is, there is a email. Whoops, that's an A. Jen, not an A. There's an email linked down below. Not linked. There's an email down below specifically for just for winners and winners only. Contact me through that link and we'll get the ball rolling. I will not answer any other communications through that email, just giveaway winners. So you would get to choose between Vintage and Watermark. And then I'm going to hit pick another winner. And then I'm going to hit start. Lottie Glassine or Clausen. Hurley and Vintage, please. Oh, well, you got Vintage too. So congratulations. I hope I didn't say your name too terribly wrong. All you have to do is contact me via that email down below and we will go from there. So congratulations to the both of you. Okay, so the two backgrounds that are left are the Distress Stripe and the Hurley Script. And we're not going to do a vote, but I am going to have another giveaway drawing. So those backgrounds will be released on September 5th, 2019. I will do another video. And in order to be entered into that, all you got to do is leave a comment down below. Just tell me what you think about these templates. Keep it positive. And I will do another drawing on September 5th for the last two backgrounds for the Glassine Bag Printable Mini Album template. So then the very last thing I wanted to tell you about is I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is a Glassine 25, so it's good for 25% off of everything in my Etsy shop with a $10 minimum purchase. It's good today, when this video goes public, to all the way through Sunday. So that information will be down in the description. That information will be down in the description box below. All you need to do is go down this way and there might be just an arrow pointing down. You hit that, or it might say show more. You hit that, but it's below this video. So congratulations to the two winners. And I guess that's all I have for you guys today. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.